And the so-called Hump Bridge on 2nd Street in downtown Macon will likely stay in place for pedestrian use, but the road will veer off at that point and become a separate bridge connecting it to Little Richard Penniman Boulevard. It's new tonight at 11. It's all part of a revitalization of 2nd Street that will connect Gray Highway to Mercer University through a pedestrian-friendly corridor. New green spaces and parks will be added along 2nd Street, along with bike trails, as a way to bring excitement and attract more businesses to the area. CHA and Huntley Partners presented their plans to City Council tonight, and while most City Council members seemed satisfied, some had questions.
For it to stop and turn off of 2nd Street and for them to continue to call it 2nd Street project is really it's really kind of disingenuous language.
We can't wave a magic wand and do the whole city at one time, but this is a wonderful start, because whether you live on the north side or the south side, the east side or the west side, it's everybody's downtown. And downtown represents our history and our heritage. It is a sense of place that we have there, and it is everybody's downtown.
There's still no final estimated cost for the project, but it will be paid for using penny tax and tax allocation funds. Council is expected to approve a plan for the project by next month.